My name is David Stahl. I am a teacher at Mankato East High School. I specialize in teaching engineering. I have been teaching for 18 years at this high school. What got me into my career was I grew up in a family of teachers, and I think just being around it throughout my whole life and seeing my mother's passion for helping kids and teaching others and sharing their knowledge with them, it probably inspired me the most. And when I was in high school, I had an engineering or a drafting teacher, I guess, and I just always thought really highly of him, and so he also inspired me to become a teacher. What I love most about my career is I love having summers off. I enjoy all of the holidays that I get to spend with my family. But as far as being in my career and being at school, I love to see the creativity in our students and just having a relationship with the kids in terms of being able to maybe be a role model to them or being able to inspire them in some way. Makes me feel good too. What do I like least? You know, what I like least about teaching is probably the kids that are naughty, the kids that I constantly have to be on to turn in their work, kids that talk out of turn, kids that don't take education seriously. I think kids that miss a lot of school and that expect me to, solve all of their problems, it probably makes our jobs pretty difficult. My job consists of planning lessons, lecturing in class, teaching the lessons in terms of content, but also teaching my kids skills in certain areas. It could be technical skills for using a laser, vinyl cutter, using CAD drafting, but also using machines such as a welder, a CNC mill, manual mill. So, but ultimately, my job is just to teach kids and about life in general. It's not always about content or skills, but it's also just teaching you about life. Vex Robotics is a company that is stationed down in Greenville, Texas. And years ago, they started creating parts to build robots out of. And one way that they sell parts is by creating competitions. So Vex Robotics has competitions. They've created a competition that is all around the world. And we compete at local, state, and national level. Every year there's a new design challenge or competition challenge. And teams of 6 to 8 kids have to design, build, and test a robot that they can go to regional competitions. And they compete against other schools to see who ultimately has the best robot. I would have to say my favorite class to teach would be our computer integrated manufacturing. Teaching students has taught me to be more patient with others. It's also taught me to probably accept others a little bit better. Having an understanding of the different backgrounds that kids come from. Some kids we just all have different struggles, and trying to meet students' needs no matter where they're at in life has just taught me a lot about being patient and with others and more accepting.